How prepared are you for an unexpected survival situation? In this unpredictable world, readiness is not a luxury, but a necessity. Imagine a scenario where you're thrown into an unexpected survival situation. Perhaps a storm has knocked out power, or you're lost in the wilderness during a camping trip. How do you survive? How do you ensure your safety and that of your loved ones? This is where the concept of prepping comes into play. It's not about fear, but about being prepared. It's about having the right set of tools and the knowledge to use them effectively. The importance of preparedness cannot be overstated in today's world. It's not just about stashing away canned goods or bottled water, but about having the right tools in your survival kit. Tools are the extension of our hands, amplifying our capabilities and effectiveness in survival scenarios. They could mean the difference between life and death. The key to survival is not just knowledge, but also the tools that you have at your disposal. First on our list is the multi-tool, a compact powerhouse. This marvel of engineering takes versatility to a whole new level. Imagine a single device that can cut, pry open cans, screw in bolts, and so much more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife on steroids. The beauty of a multi-tool is its ability to adapt, to be whatever you need it to be in a pinch. It's the ultimate survival companion, folks. A multi-tool is like having a toolbox that fits right in your pocket. Next up, we have the ever-essential fire starter. Now, fire, friends, is a fundamental survival tool. It provides warmth in chilly temperatures, cooks your food, and keeps those pesky predators at bay. Using a fire starter isn't rocket science. You strike the ferro rod with the striker, directing the sparks onto your tinder. With a bit of practice, you'll be sparking up in no time. Remember, in a survival situation, the ability to start a fire can mean the difference between life and death. In the 14th spot, we have the first aid kit. This humble box holds the key to immediate medical response, a vital asset when the unexpected happens. First aid kits can treat a variety of injuries, from minor cuts to severe burns. But remember, folks, a tool is only as good as the hands that wield it. Knowing how to use your kit effectively is half the battle won. A first aid kit is crucial because when disaster strikes, immediate medical help may not be available. Finally, we have the hatchet, a strong and reliable tool. The hatchet is a powerhouse, versatile in its abilities. It's not just for chopping wood for fires, though it excels at that too. Whether you're clearing a path or needing a makeshift weapon, the hatchet steps up to the plate. It's sturdy, dependable, and a force to be reckoned with. In the wilderness, or any survival situation, it's more than just a tool. A hatchet is not just a tool, it's a survival asset. So there you have it, 15 essential tools that could save your life in a survival situation. Each tool carries its own weight, serving a unique purpose and role in a variety of survival scenarios. The multi-tool, a compact and versatile lifesaver, can help you navigate various challenges. The fire starter, a beacon of warmth and protection, stands as a symbol of humanity's oldest and most reliable technology. The first aid kit, a bundle of hope, is a literal lifesaver, providing immediate medical aid when needed most. And the hatchet, a tool of resilience, is there for both protection and resource acquisition. These are just a few examples. Each of the 15 tools we've discussed holds a crucial place in your survival toolkit. We encourage you to delve deeper into each one, study their uses, and practice with them to ensure you're ready when the time comes. Preparedness is not about fear, but about having the confidence to face any situation. Stay ready, stay safe, stay